What's up, people? Welcome to episode 1 of Unboxing Tech with StromPuls. So, today we'll be unboxing Strom Pro 7.5 kilowatt portable EV charger bundle. Let's get started. Each unit is factory tested and packaged to ensure protection during transit and installation. Multi-layer packaging safeguards critical components and connectors. At the core is a compact, high-efficiency charging unit. The box includes essential mounting hardware and charging accessories, everything required for a streamlined installation process. Built for stable power delivery and long operational life. The enclosure is designed for durability, heat management, and everyday exposure. A clean, minimal form factor ensures easy wall mounting in residential or commercial spaces. Safety and reliability remain central to the design philosophy, ensuring dependable charging session after session. Whether at home or at the workplace, StromPuls delivers controlled, efficient power. High-quality charging cable and connector designed for repeated daily use. Secure grip, reinforced insulation, and consistent electrical contact. StromPuls EV charging solutions. Go electric, go green.